Will you get tired of facing yourself? Do you get tired? Do you just want to move on? Do you not even want a mirror in the room? Do you get tired of you? You don't have to answer right now. Just ponder. We can never get tired of ourselves. The mirror in the room. We can never get tired of looking at ourselves. That's how we check ourselves. You must be the biggest judge. The world doesn't count. Your friends do not count. How do you feel? How do you want to feel? Do you get tired of facing yourself? Do you get tired of working on you? If you get tired of working on yourself, you will lose yourself. Bettering yourself, becoming just a little bit better, that takes effort. Oomph. A walk, a run, a consultation, a friend to talk to. We can never get tired of facing ourselves. We can never get tired of looking at ourselves. The shame can be there, but shame is there. The shame doesn't have to stay. You can do something about the shame. Just remind yourself how you got here and remind yourself that you were not always this way. You can get out of your way. Stride, ride, dig, push, dig, push. Never get tired. You must face you to work on you. You must face you to protect you. Take pride in that mirror. Take pride in who is looking back. Stare back. Know that you're going to get better, and know that what you see right now is not what you're going to see 6 months from now, a year from now, 2 years from now. If you're tired of facing yourself, you're going to lose yourself. You be the harshest critic. You be the biggest judge. You take care of you. Do you get tired of facing yourself? If you do, you will lose yourself. Never grow tired.